What's up? What's up, everybody? Say what's up. She ready to eat. Say hi, Sailor. Say hi to everybody. She's ready to eat. She's ready to eat. All right. So today, oh, see, look at that. All right. Say what's up, Sailor. You ready to eat, baby? You ready to go to sleep. All right. She's ready to eat too. She's ready to eat and go to sleep. So today, what we're going to be talking about, the proper way to feed your newborn daughter. The proper way to feed her, right? The proper way to burp her. 100%. I'm going to give you guys 3 different ways to burp your newborn child. And also, I'm going to give you guys, I'm a father of 4. I have a 17-year-old, 14-year-old, 8-year-old, and our newborn, Sailor. I'm going to teach you guys some different ways of being able to feed your baby, okay? All right, so let's go. So what you can do first, you want to make sure your baby's nice and relaxed. Okay, nice and relaxed. Oh, see, I knocked into that, I'm sorry. Once your baby's nice and relaxed, you feed him. Yeah. So, just like that. Today, Sailor's 7 days old. She's a week old. It's a blessing. We went to the doctor today. She's 7 pounds. She was born on July 7th. And 7 days after she was born, she's 7 pounds. She's perfect. She's good. We're grateful to have her. Having a newborn this week has been non-stop, but in a good way. Just, you prepare for it, your newborn, getting your room together, just getting your mind right. But until you actually have your newborn at home, it's totally different. But it's been so great just to, see her smile and get accustomed to life and what you give them. All right. So rule number 1, 2, when you feed them, you monitor. You monitor your newborn's feeding. Okay. You monitor with how much they intake, right? And also when you're feeding them, look, she's so relaxed. She's about to go to sleep. Gotcha. But also when you're feeding them, make sure that there's no air bubbles. Okay. Because you get air bubbles, that's how they get gassy. Okay, so you make sure there's no air bubbles in there. Okay. Well, that's another tip for y'all. Make sure there's no air bubbles in there. Alright, look at that. She's already full. She's full and focused, okay? So then, oh, look at that. The burp already came up. So one way to burp, I'm sorry, I got you. It's the old school way. Is you throw them on your chest, right? And you pat them on the back, right? This is cool, to pat on. I like it. This is nice. I call these cardigans. I know they're not cardigans. I call them little cardigans for kids, newborns. But you pat them on their back. It's always good. I like to just hold it like this. Pat her on her back. And also, it's good for the newborns and babies to massage their back. Rub their spine in between right here. Rub their spine. They like that. It gets a lot of the gas out too that way, right? So as you can see, this is good. This works. Okay. Now, another way you can do it. She likes this way a lot. Let's hold your newborn like this, sideways. Okay, I want to show. Skin of my daughter, right? And boom. This way is also great. This is also a great way to massage him. Like that, yeah. Okay, so that's number 2. Number 3. Another way is you get, let me take this right there, okay. get underneath them right here, right? Underneath their shoulders. You can see you get underneath their shoulders and you pat them right here. It's another way. Nice massage. Those are the 3 ways you can look at that. Let me take this off. So what I teach you guys today, all right? I taught you guys how to feed a baby, right? So different ways to feed a baby. You know, you can hold them like this, and make sure there's no air bubbles in the bottom when you're feeding them, because that's how they can get gas. Oh, you heard that, right, y'all? Yep, there you go. It takes time and patience, and you gotta know to learn your child and figure them out. So the old-fashioned way worked for her. So she's good now. And that's it, man. So yeah, it's been a week since she's been in this world. It's been great having her. And there's also ways to, you know, as you guys get a little advanced, let me teach you ways of how to multitask and feed the baby. You know, this you can use anything like a blanket, and you can lean on it and use it. But for right now, pay attention to everything they do and monitor how much you feed your newborn. All right, guys, thank you. I may not be perfect, but I serve a perfect God, and you should too. Hell's Rich, Daddy's little girl forever. Sailor, thanks again. You did a great job, baby. I said cut. Thank you to Infamil for the shipment. Sailor is a breastfed baby, but she supplements some of her meals with Infamil.
Oh, she's 7?
Yes. She's
7 on 7.
She's 7 pounds?
Yeah.
Even?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's good for you.
7 pounds on her 7th day. 7 pounds on your 7th day.
Okay, now let's check your blood.